Hi, I'm Hinda with the New Holland Agriculture. Today, I'd like to tell you about our special TS6 high clearance configuration designed for working in vegetables and specialty crops. Like all TS6 tractors, the high clearance models provide common sense versatility and flexibility. You can customize your TS6 high clearance tractor as needed to fit your operation. These tractors are equipped with adjustable front axles that can range from 72 to 78 inches wide. You can select the optional creeper gears for precise movement during cultivation and harvest, and you can choose from an open station ROPS platform or the deluxe VisionView cab. Plus, you get all these features to make your vegetable or specialty crop operation as productive as possible at an affordable price. Visit your local dealer or www.newholland.com today to learn more.